hear a voice when I'm alone. It sounds like me, but not my own. It tells me things I shouldn't know, but somehow I don't let it go. There's no escape, no way to hide. It walks with me, it lives inside. Where do I go when I'm still here? Why do I feel but never fear? I'm wide awake inside a dream, or is the darkness inside me? From far away, like I'm a stranger every day. The mirror lies I play along. I know the truth but call it wrong. It pulls me close, it lets me see the part of me that shouldn't be. Where do I go when I'm still here? Why do I feel but never feel? I'm wide awake inside a dream, or is the darkness inside me? Maybe I'm fine, maybe I'm not. Maybe this mind is all I've got. If I let go, would I be free? Or is this all I'm meant to be? Where do I go when I'm still here? Why do I feel but never feel? I'm wide awake inside a dream. The darkness isn't around